Hello, this is just a quick and simple overview of the learning site called Scrimba, where you can learn various types of web development packages, frameworks, basic HTML, CSS, and it's all what we call interactive, where you can stop and play around with the code so you can better understand what the instructor is showing. As you can see, there's very many different courses you can take and more coming. Here's a list of some of the popular instructors. Cast from the community is you and me. We can add our own tutorial. There are many, and you can add your own if you want to. Now you sign in. I usually sign in with my GitHub account, and we're in. Let's see. Okay, if you go hit the plus sign, you can go to the, I'll show you the playground. Playground, give it a title. Just something simple like test, confirm. Oh, I forgot to pick a template. Pick a simple HTML template. And here's your playground with your basic code, HTML code. You can look at your simple CSS. There's nothing at JavaScript at this time. You can either add a dependency like an npm package. Let me just add a JS library, and there we go. And this is your mini browser where you can view what you're building. In other words, let's give this a test here. Let's change this to test. Run it in the mini browser. There we go. Let's try something else. And you can move the browser around. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Let's take a look at a sample tutorial. Let's check this HTML nesting elements. So hit play. You can hear an instructor teaching this course. Let's say you want to stop. Run code in the browser. See, you can resume watching later. Say you want to test this out, so let's change this to by world. Run the code. There you go. Let's try something else. Let's see if we can add a H1 tag. And remember, this is in the middle of the instructor lesson where you can try it out. There you go, H1 tag. Now to resume the lesson, just click here, resume watching. And you can continue to hear the instructor, and as you notice, the screen goes back to where you started. It cleared all your changes. Alright. Let's go back to the home page. And it's all free. And if you want to be an instructor, there's instructions here how to create, how to submit your tutorial, and even step-by-step instructions how to create a screencast that you want to submit for those who are interested. So I highly recommend Scrimba. Give it a test drive.